Today we're going to be patching up this tire from a Ford Ranger. Okay. I already found the holes, but I'm going to show you what you need to identify, how to identify, and the items you need. You're going to need yourself a tire plug kit. You can get these from O'Reilly's or Walmart, right? What's going to come in this kit? It's going to have the rasp tool. This is the insertion tool. And then you're going to have the rubber plugs themselves. Now, this kit does not come with a rubber sealant or a rubber cement sealant. So this is why we bought another one. It's important because you want to put it on the plug itself, so that way it has a tighter seal when it gets inserted. It's kind of like glue. Then you're gonna need a razor blade to cut it off, or you can have one of these guys. Snip it off, and you're going to need some soapy water, but I'm using glass cleaner because it shows the soap or the bubbles, right? So when you blow bubbles or blow into soapy water, it blows bubbles. So that's gonna be the method to identify holes. Okay, so what we're gonna do is gonna take the tire. Now make sure it's got some sort of air pressure inside, right? You're just gonna spray. So we're just gonna do the top side. You're technically supposed to do the side too, and the air stem. I'll show you that in a bit. Oh, see all these bubbles? We got a lot of bubbles, a lot of bubble action. We got one right there. We got one right here, and even one right here. Let's do that again. Let me clean this off, and we'll do it again. So I don't even have to do it. See, we got 1, 2. They're going, and right here too. That's another one, and there's another one right here. Oh, yep. See, I just have to touch it, and my soapy water hands. Yeah. See, let's do that again. Yep. So we found the location. So some other spots that you can check. It's also around the rim, right? Making sure that you have a tight seal. So like the rim, if it corrodes, it's obviously going to break the seal. And we're gonna do on this side. It's good. Now, one spot you wanna check is the air stem right here. It's good, okay? So, we've identified the location. So now, what you can do is you're gonna take your rasp tool. Let's see, where is it? It's right here. So, man, we got 4, so let's work on this one. You're just going to insert it. It's gonna be kind of tough. Twist left and right until it goes all the way in. You're gonna puncture all the way through, and you're going to keep doing the same thing. You're trying to create a smooth entrance, a more clear entrance for the plug. Now, one thing I want to tell you though, if it's on the shoulder or on the sidewall, so I would say about like an inch from the shoulder, that's going to ruin the structural integrity of the tire, and that tire is basically done. But in this case, we're inside that limit, so we're good. So we got one right here. Okay, that one's good. Now for you viewers, you're probably just gonna have one. This is an extreme case. My dad ran over something that probably had a board with like nails lined up, because it's all in a straight line. Okay, so we've made the 4 holes. Take the rubber sealant or cement. Take one of these guys, the plugs. What you're going to do is you're going to insert it in here. But do you see how it's super tight and you can barely get something in? You're going to use a screwdriver and you're going to open it up. Pro tip. Look at that. See? Now all you gotta do is just meet it halfway, insert it, Good enough for government work. Okay, yep. So once you insert it, it's gonna go like this. And that's why the open side is down. So when you pull out, it's going to leave the tire plug. But before we insert it, it's already sticky. Wow, it's already sticky. All right, we're gonna put some of this rubber cement and just apply.
Oh, look at that.
Apply, okay? Get it all on both sides. So this is going to solidify, and it's going to make the plug, the seal, much tighter. How did I lose it? Oh, here it is. Okay. So we're just going to insert. And you're gonna want to stop about halfway, or until you have about a quarter of, just about there, right there. You want to leave about that much left, okay? Then when you pull out, let's make sure it's in there. Yep. And then when you pull out, voila, that's one. Okay, meet it halfway. This rubber cement, both sides. Oh no! Oh well, it's just a tire. All right. Okay, this is 2 spread apart. Tighten it up. Okay. And then try it again. Yeah. Yep. So there it is. So at least halfway or a quarter left, right? Let it sit there for a little bit and then just yank it out. Okay. Meet it halfway. A little bit up. Then you're going to find your spot and insert. Again, you don't want to shove it too far in, okay? And then you're going to yank out. Voila. Again, rubber cement. Plug that sucker in there. Again, about a quarter left, right? And then yank out. Now, take your snipping tool or that razor blade, however you want to do it. You're just gonna trim it off, right? Oh, that crunch, so satisfying. Oh, such a satisfying crunch. Okay, I managed to do 1. Let's see if I can do 2. Oh, that's too jelly. Oh, nope. Crunch, nice. And oh, I got another one. You don't want to pull up because that's gonna yank out the tire plug. What is up with this one? Okay, let's see. Nice. Come on. Yes. Got one more. This is a stubborn one. It's the one that... Oh, I heard a crunch. Okay. We got one more. Ooh, that crunch, so satisfying. Ah. Okay. All right. For the most part, it's been trimmed down. I'm going to trim it down a little more later, but right now we're gonna go add some air. So I have this little 12 volt that plugs into your cigarette lighter and it inflates. So We're going to get it to at least 30 psi. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray because we do have some tire pressure or air pressure in there. No bubbles, none. But I'm gonna keep going. All right, so here it's saying we're around 31. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. All right. So, doing a visual, we put, all right, soapy water, nothing. Our work is good. All right, visual test passes. I'm doing an auditory, right? Just kind of listening to it, and everything checks out. So, at the end, after this video, I'm just gonna trim this down. You guys can use a razor and do it yourselves. But yeah, that's it, guys. So super simple, super cheap. The kit was like $5, and then like the rubber cement was like, oh sorry, the kit was like $4. The rubber cement was like $2. You can get them both at Walmart or O'Reilly's. But yeah, super simple. This should have taken like 5 minutes, not like 10 minutes, whatever we're recording at right now. But yeah, so that's pretty much for this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Peace.